today we are going to continue our Spring Security JWT Springboard authentication application. So in my previous video we just had WebSecurityConfig, and in this video we are continuing with that. Actually, what happened in my previous video is like when I tried to use the WebSecurityConfig, I have a JWT authentication entry point. So I work on the JWT authentication entry point. Whenever the authentication is failed, we are sending the error to the HttpServletResponse. So that's exactly we did in our previous video. In this video we will continue with WebSecurityConfig. So let's see where exactly the WebSecurityConfig and how we will do the remaining things on the WebSecurityConfig. So I just add some annotation here: configuration, enable web security, enable global method security. So after that I need to create AuthenticationManagerBean. So AuthenticationManagerBean, I need another things, globalUserDetails or something. So there are a couple of public methods. I will copy that all methods, and after that we can try to figure out what exactly it is. So actually this is a WebSecurityConfig, is a bunch of beans that we are using for Spring Security. So right now I copied something here. So here I have a bean annotation, and there is one authentication manager one. So authentication manager bean actually using as an authentication manager. So the authentication manager actually handling this authentication things in a Spring Security platform. So here globalUserDetails, where I am passing authentication manager builder, and I have some other methods also. I'm trying to add everything, every dependency is passed, then we can go further with all the details. So here I am getting some get tag, password encoder, provided bcrypt password encoder. So there is some issues here. I guess it's not issue if I am solving this one, it will resolve automatically. Okay, then so I already discussed about authentication manager, but globalUserDetails. So authentication manager builder, there is a builder class for authentication manager or userDetailsService dot password encoder. Okay, so this method actually is setting dot userDetailsService dot password encoder. Actually encoding. Okay, here actually it's setting up the userDetailsService. Okay, so we have a userDetailsService. That's actually a bean I am getting from somewhere from here, and I am setting that to the authentication manager builder. And the third one, AuthenticationTokenFilterBean, JWT authentication filter. Okay, so this is an authentication token filter bean. Okay, that's just here written the authentication filter. Okay, other than that, configure, this is the important thing. That's exactly in the WebSecurityConfig, where we are configuring our CORS and CSR disable, authorized request, whatever request we need without any authorization, that we need to mention here. Here I have two endpoints, this one for login request, this one for sign in purpose. Other than any request, it will authenticate, exception handling, authentication point, unauthorized handler, and the session management, session creation policies, tables. Okay, so these are our configuration. You don't need to care more about that except this one. So this is to allow without any authentication, and filter bean, authentication token filter bean, username, password, authentication filter class. So that's exactly the web security config is created in this environment. And then this is a bcrypt password encoder, so encoding a password. So that's all about web security config class. Let me check what is our next priority item, where we will go after this. Just a minute. I have already that good security, the documents. So authentication control, right now we can go to authentication control. So I'm going to create authentication. So necessary spin security configuration we already discussed, and let me check whether there is any missing items, whether there is anything I missed in this scenario in config package. Just a minute. Yeah, the CORSFilter, that's another one we need to add. Exception and trace we need to add. JWT authentication endpoint already done. Authentication filter already done. JWT token utility web security. So we should have a CORSFilter. So that's actually to add response.setHeader, response.setHeader, and we need that. So I need to create that here. So CORSFilter. So post origin resource filter, actually CORSFilter. If we need more information, we need to put some documents or something here, some other documentation. Post origin resource sharing for your general solution for filtering cross origin resource sharing support to Java web application. Enabling cross domain request for browser servers and web APIs. Okay, so this is a course aware web service. So if we need another front-end application and need to access the remote server, we need to set this CORSFilter. So CORSFilter, if the advantage is like if you have some specific website, you don't need anyone to access your website, only a particular website, then you can specify that using the CORSFilter. That is the only advantage for CORSFilter. So here I need to implement filter. So if I am implementing filter, what is going to happen? Filter, I have JWT filter. Only that's the one here. That's one. And I will have a doFilter class. So implement method doFilter. And other methods also there. Probably. Okay. Let me check whether there is any other methods, implement methods. Okay, I will discuss the remaining in next video. So Currently it's in 10 minutes already passed. Okay, thank you for watching.